So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in internet options. Click on it. And then once we're on this, you want to click on advanced. Now we're going to scroll down until we find use SSL 3.0. Make sure that this is unticked. You want to untick this box and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search again and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to find your network adapter, double click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. And now once we're on this, make sure that you have obtain an IP address automatically selected, and now under it you want to select use the following DNS server address. You want to make the first line 8888, and you want to make the second line 8844, and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search again and type in internet options. Click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to click on security. Now you want to click on custom level. You want to search for display mixed content. We're going to scroll down until we find display mixed content. You want to enable this. And then click on OK. And then click on yes. And then click on OK again. And this should not fix your problem. If not, then just restart your computer, and this will not fix your problem.